It's amazing to me how much fishing electronics have changed in the last few years with the advent of Lowrance's Active Target. The open water scene has completely been changed, but even the ice fishing scene has changed. We can now put the transducer down the hole and essentially look out to the side of the hole, or if you want in a downscan version, watch the fish swim right in and bite, which is unbelievable. If you've ever seen it, it's just fantastic. So this is actually another advent because of Active Target systems. There's a lot of equipment involved. You've got poles, you've got an internal control box. So what this unit is Lowrance's new Explorer Series pack, and it essentially is a very versatile unit to use out on the ice for this. When you're fishing, you can just flip down this one pack and watch your unit. If you need to get at all of your equipment, it's all right here. Batteries, control box, the whole works is right there. It's got actually a very sturdy internal frame. And in the ice fishing world, as we all know, things get beat up bad. So to have this type of strength to protect your equipment is incredible. You can move from hole to hole with this handy heavy-duty handle here, which is nice. You don't have to move all of your equipment. It all is self-contained. And then for those of you who are walking out on the ice, you've got a really nice backpack system. So I think you're going to enjoy having all of your Active Target equipment all in one spot. It's going to make your fishing a lot easier.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.